Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GusandCho.com. You went to a bank and you have a 580 credit score and you're a veteran and they say, sorry, we can't help you. Don't feel dejected. We close loans here below 580. So if you got a low credit score VA, what happens is the computer doesn't approve you probably. So they do run an automated system. There's some person on a phone, you fill out an app online and sorry, it doesn't approve you. So that's where we step in. We do what's called a manual underwrite. We go down to 500 credit score on a manual underwrite. We've even gone below 500, but in special cases. But 500 will do it if you have no lates in the last 12 months. So you can have a little messy past, clean for the last 12, pay rent on time, have some money in the bank, stay below 55 DTI. We can close that loan. I want you to give me a call, but you have to have some credit open for the last year. You can't have no credit with a low score. You have to have some credit. If you got some bad credit on there, you have to have some good credit to offset it. So give me a call. You've been denied because you're below 620. Call me right now, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.